Georgette Heyes mystery novels are not very talked about. I have read, I think, two of her mystery novels. I mean, one and a half if you might want to be accurate. The first one was Envious Casca, and it was obviously unpredictable. And the other one is this one. It's called No Wind of Blame. The fact about Georgette Heyes novels is that it's not just who done it trope is done very well here. Most of the authors like Agatha Christie, Dorothy L. Sayers, the early 20th century authors, they were very good at making the who done it theme work. With Georgette Hare, I have seen that she puts a lot of effort in her characters as well. The little nuances of each and every character is put forth in such a way that the reader is immersed in the lives of the characters. Rather than making the central theme as the plot as to who has done the murder, I mean, that is the central theme of most of the mystery novels. It all boils down to one thing, that who is the person who has done the crime. But in Georgette Heyes novels, there is something called layering of each and every character. And it's very delightful because you are not just reading a mystery, fast-paced mystery novel just for the sake of it. You are actually delving deeper into the lives of the characters and their quirkiness, their mood swings, why they are the way they are, middle-aged women, frustrated middle-aged women, independent women, happily married women, men, some of them not very agreeable, some of them hard-hearted, some of them soft. Like, why is everybody the way they are? That thing is delved deeper in Georgette Heyes novels, and I have seen this thing in Gone with the Wind also, wherein Margaret Mitchell actually explains why Scarlett O'Hara, the protagonist of the novel, has this inner conflict in her, because her mother, Ellen Robillard, she was more of an aristocrat. She was born in the old world, whereas her father, who was an immigrant from Ireland, and he was more of a rebel because of a lot of factors. I mean, the war and everything. So Scarlett always had this notion that she should just go and do the thing the way her father used to